missing someone.
Hello my loves, how you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. Today we are making pina colada juice and the ingredients are so we're going to start by chopping the pineapple into tiny pieces. After I'm done cutting them, I'm going to blend them. So I'm going to add about 2 glasses of water and start blending the pineapple. So now I'm going to put 6 tablespoons of sugar. Remember, sugar to taste according to your preference, okay? Okay, if you taste the sugar that I put here and you feel that it's too much, reduce. If you feel that it's too little, add. Now that we're done with the pineapple juice, we are going to set it aside and start with the coconut milk. Now we're going to cut our coconut into really tiny pieces so that it doesn't give the blender a hard time while blending. So these ones are actually huge pieces. We further cut them into really tiny pieces so that it doesn't give the blender a hard time, as I said earlier. Here is our coconut milk after blending. I'm now going to sieve it and set it aside. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to do it. I sieved the pineapple juice too. So for the coconut milk, we did not add any sugar since our pineapple juice has sugar, and also the freshly squeezed orange, we added sugar. So there was no need of adding sugar to the coconut milk. Pour your coconut milk into the sieve. This is what you're going to remain with, but you make sure you squeeze it as I'm squeezing it like that. Squeeze it very well so that all the coconut milk can come out of this. Okay, and this is the result. Now it's time to mix everything together. We already have our coconut milk, we have our pineapple juice. For the coconut milk, I used around 600 ml of coconut milk, not around, I used 600 ml of coconut milk, 750 ml of pineapple juice, and then we're going to add our orange juice, which is going to be 300 ml of freshly squeezed orange juice. Kindly note you can add or reduce the ingredients according to your preference, what you like more, what you like less. Here is the result. Another note is that this drink is best served chilled. Please put it in the refrigerator, serve it chilled on a hot summer. It's going to be delicious or delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also let me know when you make it what you thought about it. Bye bye.